Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is the 6th episode of chapter 5, and in here we are going to discuss exercise 9, which is the last exercise of this topic, subject of the formula. This exercise is a bit different from the previous exercises. In this exercise, letters are given in the bracket, and those letters are to be made the subject of the formula. Now, this exercise has 25 questions altogether. If you have a physical book with you, you can have a look and on page 182. And in case if you don't have, you can request me on my WhatsApp number provided. I will be sending you a PDF of this book. This video might get a little lengthy because there are many questions that I have selected, and the trick is that the letter which is in the bracket has to be made the subject. Now, to begin with, I will start like this, squaring both the sides. You can write definitely, and because I'm explaining you just. So squaring both the sides is going to give you a y square minus b, like this, and e is going to be a square. Since y has to be made a subject, that means y square minus b is going to be e square over a. Now y square equals e square over a and plus b, and since b is b over 1, I will take the LCM of a and 1, which is a. This is going to be multiplied by 1, and this will be multiplied, b would be multiplied by a. So it's going to be ab on top as a numerator. Now in here, we need to have the value of y. So taking the root on the both sides, I will be writing like this. So this will be cancelled with this, and plus minus, always remember, comes with the root. So it's going to be e square plus ab over a. This is going to be a final answer, and you'll get full marks. Now comes question number 3, in which k has to be made a subject. So in here, so as we have done before, as I told you, whenever you have fractions and you have equal sign in between, so you do the cross multiplication. So it's going to be m root k minus m, and n will be multiplied by 1 to give you n. Now we need to have k as a subject, so I'll be multiplying by k with m, or I just keep like this and n over m. Now I will be keeping this k over here and n over m plus m over 1. That means under root k will be equals to, LCM is m, and this is going to be n, and is going to be m square. Now taking the root on both the sides, taking square on both sides, so this is going to give me, this is going to be squared, and n plus m square over m is going to be whole square. So this is going to be cancelled with this. So k will be equals to n square plus m power 4 and m square to give you final answer. Now moving on to the next question. In here, z is the letter that has to make the subject. Now it's going to be squaring both the sides. So this is going to give us a over z minus c equals e square, because e square and this square both are going to be cancelled. And here a over z equals e square plus c. That means a will be equals to z e square multiplied by c square. C only. And Now we will keep z on the other side and bring e square plus c on this side. So this is going to be your final answer. When it comes to the next question, in here d has to be make the subject. So that means t over 2 pi, because 2 pi is multiplying, and this side you will have under root d over g. Now squaring both the sides will remove this root sign, so it's going to be t square over 4 pi square over dg. Now we cross multiply, and this side will have t square g, and here d 4 pi square. Now we'll keep d as it is over here, and we'll keep t square g and 4 pi square this way. So this is going to be your final answer. When it comes to question number 11, squaring both the sides will make question like this: m square plus a over e equals t square. M has to be made a subject. That means it's going to be m square plus a and e t square. E is dividing, other side it will multiply. B is multiplying, other side it will go and divide. And it's going to be m square equals e t square over b minus a over 1. Instead of a, we have to write a over 1, because both are going to be fractions. LCM is going to be b, and et will be multiplied by et square multiplied by 1, and a will be multiplied by b to make you ab. Now in here it's going to be m square under root et square minus ab over b. This is going to be final answer, and you will get full marks. Now when it comes to the next question, it is having a plus b, and k has to be made a subject. That means what I will do is I will bring this c over k on this side and make it negative. This is going to be negative b. Now in here k is common, and I will write a minus c equals negative b. A minus c is going to be negative b times k. So I will keep k over here like this, and a minus c will be negative b. Something like this is going to be your final answer. Now comes question number 19. In here we'll do the same thing that we have done before. This is going to be a square, and the square root sign is going to be removed from the right side. It's going to be y minus 1 and y plus 1. And y is to be made a subject. That means x square will be multiplied by y plus 1 is going to be y minus 1. And here it's going to be x square y plus x square equals y minus 1. Now I'll keep the like terms together, x square y, and bring this y on the other side, and becomes a negative y equals minus x square minus 1. So this is going to be y common and x square minus 1, and here negative is common, x square plus 1. That means y will be, y is the subject. Yes, y is the subject. That means minus x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. So y equals, this is your answer. Now moving on to the next question. Taking you to the next question. Question number 21. In here n is, capital N is the subject. So I will write m over n minus p over n equals E, negative E, or what I can do is I will keep E as it is over here, and I will make negative m over n this side, and I will keep E as it is without a change. Now E equals n is the LCM and P minus m. So n is going to go other side and multiply P minus m over E, and this is your final answer. When it comes to next question, it says X to be made subject. That means Q will be equals to R multiplied by P minus X. That means Q over R equals P minus X. That means I am going to make this guy Q over R plus X equals P. Better make P this way. And X will be equals to P minus Q over R, or what we can do is take R, make this one 1. That means R is the LCM. P will be multiplied by R minus Q is going to be a final answer. Now in this question, A has to be made subject of the formula. That means squaring both the sides is going to give us Z minus AX equals T square, and Z minus T square equals AX. This AX will go on the other side and becomes positive AX. And in here, I will keep A as it is, C minus T square over X. Now comes question number 24. Now in here, X has to be made subject. That means under root X plus F equals G minus E. Squaring both the sides is going to give me X plus 8, or wait, what we can do is I'll keep G as it is and under root X plus F over negative X. This is going to be a final answer. Now in here, Y has to be made subject. That means I will take M multiplied by NY minus E square in one bracket over here, and I will over P and 5N minus N. That means it's going to be M NY minus E square equals P times 4N. So this is going to give us subject is Y. That means NY minus E square, since it is multiplying on this side, so 4PN over M, and this is going to be N Y equals 4PN over M plus E square over 1. Next is NY equals M is the LCM, and 4PN will be multiplied by 1, and E square will multiply by M, so E square M. Now Y will be kept as it is, 4PN plus E square M over, and this is going to be the final answer. And that's how this exercise is complete, and we'll be uploading soon exercise 10, which is on direct variation, and exercise 11 is going to be on inverse variation. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day, and kindly do share with your friends and colleagues if you are refreshing those topics that you have learned, or if you are a student learning for the very first time, it's very fine. Do share and kindly subscribe the channel so that I can make more better content.